Writing style informative, hey, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of spreadsheets. Yes, you heard that right. We're pitting Google Sheets against Microsoft Excel. Which one will crown itself the king of convenience and capability? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about cost and accessibility. Google Sheets is your go-to if you're keen on saving some bucks. It's completely free with a Google account and purely web-based. Now, Excel, on the other hand, might hit your wallet since it often comes as part of the Microsoft Office suite. It's a powerhouse both online and as a desktop app. Now, collaboration. This is where Google Sheets truly shines. Real-time editing with teammates? Check. Changes saved instantly? Check. Excel has been catching up with its own collaboration tools via Office 365, but it's still a step behind Google Sheets in this game. And what about when you're not hooked to the internet? Google Sheets does offer offline access, but it's not as slick as when you're online. Excel is predominantly an offline tool, giving it a bit of an edge here, especially with seamless sync once you go online. Functionality-wise, if you're into heavy-duty data analytics or need sophisticated automation, Excel is your heavyweight champion. It's packed with advanced features that professionals love. Google Sheets, though simpler, is no slouch either and is constantly updated with new features. Integration. Both platforms play well with their respective families. Google Sheets merges smoothly with other Google apps, while Excel syncs beautifully with Microsoft Office products. However, when it comes to compatibility and storage, Excel leads with better compatibility with various software, and your files are as big as your device can handle. Google Sheets might slow down with massive datasets since it's cloud-based. So, which one should you choose? If your world revolves around collaboration and you want a free tool, Google Sheets is perfect. But for more complex tasks requiring sophisticated functionalities, Excel remains king. Your pick depends on your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one where we continue exploring the tools that make our tech lives more efficient. Stay savvy, everyone.